Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Logics. My name is Sunil Pandey and today we will talk about 3D sum. So, have you ever heard about 3D sum with multiple worksheets? Let's see. Before we start, we'll talk little bit about what is 3D sum and what does it do. Okay? So, let's see. So, to sum the same range in one or more worksheet, you can use the sum formula with a special syntax called 3D reference. Okay, so for example, you have a multiple sheet like 1 to 10 sheet and you want to sum with the same range for all the work from all the worksheets. Okay, suppose I have created 1 2 3 worksheet and every sheet we have employee ID and the sales. Okay, the same range, and we want to sum of sales from all the worksheets for particular employee ID. Suppose we want for P429 for the sum of sales from week 1 to week 3. Okay, in that scenario we will use a sum with a special syntax called 3D reference. So this is the formula: sum week 1 to week 3, and the range 1 is whatever it is. It could be D5, D7, but that should be same range for all the sheets. Okay, so let's put the formula: sum week 1 to week 3, and we'll put the reference sign like this and D7 enter, which means the syntax for referencing a range of sheets is a built-in features and works a bit like reference to a range of cells. For example, I have put week 1 to week 3 and D7, which means from week 1 to week 3, it will summarize D7 value for week 1, D7 value for week 2, and D7 value for week 3. Okay, I'll drag it. Understood? So these are the sum of sales for particular employee ID. If you want to summarize manual, you can P429, 355, 348, and 290. Let's see. 355, 348, and 290. 993, which means our formula is accurate. Okay, so let's explain this formula. So cell D7, which I have mentioned over here, it is included from week 1 to week 3, from sheet 1 to sheet 3. If you have a data from sheet 1 to sheet 10, so just put over here week 1 to week or sheet 1 to sheet 10 and the range. Okay, and the same way you can use a count formula also and the average formula also. Let's see the count week 1 to week 3 D7. Okay, it will give a same number 3 because employee ID is unique and that is for every sheet. Okay, that's why it's showing 3 for everyone. Let's see for average. Average week 1 to week 3 and the 3D reference D7. So this is the average of sales for particular employee ID with respect to week 1 to week 3. Okay, so this is a 3D sum with multiple worksheets. Okay, so I hope you understood this formula, and this is very useful formula. Most of the people doesn't know how to sum the data with multiple worksheets. Okay, let's see in our next video. I hope you understood this one. If you have any query, you can email me. I will solve your query. Thank you so much. Have a great day.